Namaste to all. I'm Dr. Hemant, Dean Faculty of Ayurveda, Parul University, Vadodara, Gujarat. I'm going to present you about Ayush Sanjeevani app and International Yoga Day and participation of Parul University faculty and students in International Yoga Day. In both the things I'm going to present in this presentation, and this presentation is done with the help of uh, faculty of homeopathy. I also thank Dr. Purav sir for supporting me. When COVID-19 situation arose in India, the government of India, the Honorable Prime Minister, everybody, they were suggesting about preventive methods, and to go for preventive methods, Ayurveda and homeopathy have lot many things, and Government of India, Ministry of Ayush has given its advisory what all preventive methods to be done, and later onwards, the Ayush has taken 3 steps. Studies on the basis of interventions of prophylaxis and as an add-on standard care for COVID-19, population-based interventional studies on the impact of Ayush-based prophylactic intervention. Then to assess these two, Ayush Sanjeevani app is also developed, and it is now Ministry of Ayush, and we all request all our Parul Parul University students, staff, faculty members, everyone to download this Ayush Sanjeevani app. And in this presentation, I'm going to give you idea about how to download and how to use this app. Ministry of Ayush present the Ayush Sanjeevani mobile application for understanding the measures adopted by the public for enhancing immunity and keeping themselves healthy in difficult COVID-19 situation. So when you go for your mobile Play Store, you if you search for Ayush Sanjeevani, you will get an Ayush Sanjeevani app, and you by going over there you can download this Ayush Sanjeevani app, and this Ayush Sanjeevani app is compatible for Android mobile, and at present for this Ayush Sanjeevani app in English, and another one is in Hindi, and it is expected in other languages also, and we are also expecting this Ayush Sanjeevani app for Apple mobile phones. So once you download, you will get the pages like this, and you have to go ahead and then welcome to Ayush Sanjeevani app. It is there, and the basic information about it is mentioned there. Then you can continue there. Then after going there, there is a form of registration. You can, when you go for registration form, or when you fill your details, in that name is there. In the name, what we want is you should write your name, and along with that you write Parul University. So my name is Dr. Hemant. I have written Dr. Hemant, Parul University. Then all other details as it is. At the end, when you come, there is an address, optional address is there. So where again we can write Parul University, Vadodara. Once you register, then you go ahead, you will get again the pages like Ayush for health, need for self-care, general measures, Ayurveda immunity, Ayush healthcare. All these pages will get, and we'll discuss these pages at the end. Then once again you go ahead, you will get two options: whether you are a registered Ayush practitioner or you are a common person, other than registered Ayush practitioner. So I have opted registered Ayush practitioner, wherein both the things are there. For registered Ayush practitioner, common man, what will be there? That questions are also there, and practitioner, the other questions are there. To explain about these two, I have opted registered Ayush practitioner. When we go for registered Ayush practitioner, uh, when we click on it, we get these two basic tabs, two primary tabs, which is divided again into two sub tabs. So the whole intention of this app, or this app, is looking for what information is in this app. We get information about the Ayush advisory medicines or Ayush medicines, its impact on the society, its impact on the people. So as I was telling you, when you go there, there is one self information or self assessment tool is there. In that again two tabs are there: advisories of Ministry of Ayush other than the advisories of Ministry of Ayush. And then there is for patients it is there again advisories of Ministry of Ayush other than advisories not visible for the persons who have elected others, and this is only available for the Ayush practitioners. So I will go ahead the things what will be there is app. So when you go ahead, then you're going to get which system of medicine, which system of advisory you have followed. If somebody has taken homeopath medicine, and this is the list of medicines, the first page or first part it shows the list of medicines like arsenic alba, Ionia alba, and all these other medicines till warm water. Then medicine is also there, Ministry of Ayush has advised, and the medicine also which Ministry of Ayush has advised. The Ayurvedic medicine, and these are the medicines, or these are the advisories list of Ministry of Ayush. Ministry of Ayush has advised to take 2 tablets twice a day. Then Ayush 64 is another tablet of Ministry of Ayush. Then Agastya Haritaki Rasayan, Anutaila or sesame oil, any of this we can use it for nasya, that is nasal administration, 2 drops twice a day. Then regular consumption of formal of pranayama, practice of meditation, using some spices like turmeric and some spices for in the cooking. Then usage of Chavanprash, usage of for maintaining health. So these are the advisories Ministry of Ayush which has given. So once we select one amongst them, the first one is Samshamanavati. Suppose if I select Samshamanavati, then the question will come how many days an individual has taken this Samshamanavati. So you can write less than 4 days a week, more than 4 days a week, daily. So daily, the presence of pre-existing disease. So we know about somebody is suffering from hypertension, or I am suffering from hypertension or diabetes. You can click on that. Then improvement after intervention. What about the appetite of an individual, sleep of an individual, bowel movement, stamina, mental being, then no, all these points are there. You can take what you felt after taking this. And then about fever, whether you had fever, if it is there, then you can write that it is improved. If it is not applicable, you can not applicable. So in the same way, there are other symptoms: throat pain, cough, body ache. Then there is overall impact on general health, whether it is no change. So what has happened with one medicine that you can write like this, whatever medicine you have taken, for that which you can write. Then again, in the general impact, not applicable, improved, all this there. Overall impact which you can mention here. You can next. Next, there is advisory. There is somebody taken medicine which is not medicine use advisory. So if that is the case, then what we should do is, when you click on the medicine taken which is not referred in Ayush advisory, for example, I want to say here, right here, other than the advisories of the Ministry of Ayush, you can see taken advice by Ministry of Ayush. There what going to get is again this sheet will going to get. This is one the which is not mentioned. It is an Ayurvedic medicine which is not mentioned by Ministry of Ayush. Here, whatever you may write, suppose if you have consumed every day a milk, you have consumed every day a goat milk, you have consumed your hot water with turmeric powder. So, which is not in the advisory of Ministry of Ayush. Whatever you have done, you can write here. Describe the treatment, maximum 40 characters. What it is, you can describe that. It is similar questions earlier, whether we have taken it daily, whether we have taken it in days, whether we have taken less than 4 days. So then these same questions will come, like it has come for Samshamanavati. You can fill all these questions and you can submit this form. So this is for the people who have taken the medicine. For others and for doctors, what will happen? Ayush practitioner will happen. Uh, I have medicine as per Ayush advice. Question number interaction number for whom for whom advice. For example, advice for 10 people, I can write 10. Then again, I have to click on one to one Samshamanavati. Again, this question will come for medical practitioners. What was the age group of the patient? What is the duration and what is the regularity? Whether they were having existing condition? Then whether is there any, all these questions will come. They has to answer. So things basically for a common man. Again, common man. Ayush advisories, those we have followed, giving feedback about it, and for the common man, again, those who have not followed Ayush advisory, they have used their own treatment modality, Ayush system. Again, its feedback is. And for medical practitioners, Ayush medical practitioners, again, if we have followed the Ayush advisories for number of patients, that details we have to give. If we have not followed Ayush directions, but we have given our own medication, that also feedback we can give. So this will give from the government Ayush system. Now everybody is doing to prevent from COVID, to get relief from COVID or for the treatment of COVID. So Ministry of Ayush has advised in COVID crisis, what were their recommendations? One is measure for enhancing immunity. Drink water throughout the day. Some yoga, pranayama, meditation for at least 30 minutes. Use of spice, I was telling you, haldi or jeera or dhania or garlic in the cooking. Then other simple Ayurvedic procedure we can apply. So one can apply simple oil, or can use the Anutaila or sesame oil for addition to nasal 2 drops they can put in a nose a day, so that it makes lubrication good on the nasal, so that anything that which you inhale, that will be stick on, and that can be thrown out, or it will not be. So that is what is an intention. Then oil pulling is a good therapy. A person, anybody who wish, he can take either coconut oil or sesame oil or any oil, can do oil pulling. The brush is a best medicine, and a person can take Chyawanprash both morning and evening 1 spoon, and if diabetic, take Chyawanprash is also in the market. And can take herbal teas or herbal decoctions which are out of Dalini, Kala Mirch, Shunt, then resin, jaggery. If it is required, we can add jaggery, and even we can also take fresh lemon juice, and we can also jaggery, and where we can half spoon of the it can be twice, two glass and even 1 glass it can be taken. And also somebody who has nasal block, allergy, and some upper respiratory mild infections, which all cases can take a inhalation with a fresh president leaves, seed, and can be chewed with a honey and can be taken. And, these measures which ministry has given will help in dry cough and sore throat. If there is a problem, it is advised, it is better to consult doctors. So these are the general measures what I was saying about it. That's what written there. And Ayurvedic immune boosting, golden milk, then tea and so it's all about Ayurveda. And what all the holders of Parul University all institutions, then teaching faculty, students, everybody, those who are associated with Parallel University, our request is please download this app, and whatever your uh, experience is there about ISM of medicine, or whatever your whatever about it, you use this app, so it will help us, will help ministry to answer the thing, and it will help also government to form some standard protocol or some treatment protocol around COVID. I hope you all will cooperate and download and do this. So next for today's presentation is about International Yoga Day. Hope the, on the in his Man Ki Baat, so he has about yoga. So ever 21st of June, and we have seen hundreds of countries participating. The people of the country of different all over the world are doing yogasana all over the world. But now this year, due to the COVID, not to see how people will participate and to observe. The Government of India has advised to videograph the yoga and upload it on Ministry of Ayush social media pages. Like this contest, there is they have kept a contest, and this contest is now open from 31st May, and it will everybody to all Parulites is has to know of, and that will be their Facebook or Instagram presentation. I'm going to show you well and how to upload. So can type, or you can write hashtag live yoga, then country, then a competition, and he get to the website. So there are categories for this. Uh, there are total 6 categories. One is male category, then again male category, the below the age of 18 years, adult, above the age of 18 years, together male and female, and then again in each youth, adult, and yoga professionals. So Government of India has announced the prize of rupees 1 lakh, all these categories. What is an actual part, the Indian ambassadors, and it will give it to them. And there are also global prizes will be decided and given Ministry of Ayush. And these are the social media links where the participants can upload their videos. So this is for Facebook, www.facebook.com